Is your Walmart Family Mobile suddenly not working? Calls, texts, or data down? As of September 2025, common culprits include network congestion, particularly during peak hours, account issues like unpaid balances or service lapses, device incompatibility with the network, and occasional glitches in the Straight Talk app used for account management. Since Walmart Family Mobile is an MVNO, it relies on major networks like Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T. Outages on these networks directly affect your service. Let's get your service back up. First, restart your phone. This fixes about 70% of basic issues. Then, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset the network connection. If that doesn't work, check your account balance via the Straight Talk app or Walmart's website. Next, ensure your phone is compatible with your SIM card's network, especially if it's unlocked. Verizon SIMs need LTE Band 13 support. Data problems often require checking your APN settings. Use straighttalk.com or TF Data depending on your carrier. For call issues, verify your SIM's network by dialing 4636 on Android. If texts aren't sending, it could be a carrier-side spam filter. Finally, if problems persist, contact Walmart Family Mobile Support or consider swapping to a different network SIM card.